Terence McKenna was one of the most influential psychedelic philosophers of the 20th century. A lifelong explorer of altered states of consciousness, McKenna spent over 30 years researching shamanism, alchemy, mysticism, and the role of psychedelics in human development. McKenna believed that psychedelics were instrumental in the evolution of the human mind. He theorized that our prehistoric ancestors encountered psychedelic mushrooms, and the experiences and connections formed by them catalyzed the emergence of human self-awareness, language, and spirituality. According to McKenna, psychedelics continue to have an important role in expanding human consciousness. He argued that the ego, our self of self-developed in the childhood, is an intellectual construct that prevents us from thinking conceptually beyond a limited mindset. Psychedelics dissolve the ego and unlock new ways of thinking by disrupting familiar cognitive patterns. The secret to harnessing the mind-opening potential of psychedelics is approaching them with care, respect, and the right intention or mindset. McKenna advocated starting with a moderate dose in a safe setting and environment. He stressed the importance of set and setting, your mindset going into the experience and the environment in which it takes place. With the right mindset, psychedelics can reveal life-changing insights and connections. McKenna spoke from decades of personal experience. He described encounters with psilocybin mushrooms that gave him visions of humanity's ancient connection with nature and the cosmos. His experiences with DMT in particular shaped his beliefs about human consciousness and its relationship to a Gaian supermind, a kind of collective intelligence that spans the universe. For those interested in exploring psychedelics, McKenna gave the following advice. Do accurate research, understand the risks and benefits, and start with a moderate dose. Have a trusted guide with experience to facilitate your first session. Set an intention for what you want to explore and gain insights into. Be in a comfortable environment free of responsibilities. Surrender to the experience. Observe thoughts and visuals impartially, without judgment, and integrate lessons and revelations into your life during a reflection period after the experience. To integrate psychedelic insights into everyday life, McKenna recommended practices like meditation, yoga, art, music, and spending time in nature. Keeping a journal to record thoughts and revelations can help make sense of psychedelic experiences long after they occur. Sharing experiences within a community of fellow explorers enables further insight and progression, continuing the lifelong journey of learning, reflecting, and refining one's understanding. McKenna believed psychedelics have the potential to profoundly transform individuals and human culture in a positive way. While his theories were controversial, he inspired the generations to think differently about consciousness and our place in the universe. By responsibly exploring psychedelics and testing the limits of human understanding, we just may discover truths as strange as those Terence McKenna glimpsed in his decades of probing into humanity's deepest mysteries. Psychedelic experiences can be deeply meaningful when treated with respect. McKenna's philosophy encourages us to open our minds, dissolve old ways of thinking, and reconnect with nature and spirit. His message of expanding consciousness through direct experience points us to a more fulfilling life and vision of human potential yet to be realized. By embarking on our own journey of discovery, we continue the grand human adventure that McKenna devoted his life to. Our world may just become a little richer, a little stranger, and vastly more interesting as a result. I will see you in the next video.